Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa kheer, an easy and healthy dessert. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 2 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Also, have ready some cardamom powder, chopped nuts, and a pinch of saffron. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pot, combine your cooked quinoa, milk, and sugar. Place the pot over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, making sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As your kheer simmers, it's time to infuse it with wonderful aromas and textures. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a small pinch of saffron threads for that classic fragrant touch. Continue to gently simmer the mixture, stirring frequently until it thickens to your preferred consistency. Finally, fold in about 1/4 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, for a delightful crunch. Once your quinoa kheer has reached its perfect consistency, remove it from the heat. Let it cool down a bit before serving, as the flavors deepen and it thickens further. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a sprinkle of extra chopped nuts or a few delicate strands of saffron. You can enjoy this wholesome dessert warm or chilled, making it a versatile treat for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade quinoa kheer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.